I hope you all doing great and well today. By wasting no time, we are going through our uh, fifth class of Canva Pro. It's about how to remove the background in Canva Pro, how to remove the any element background, any image background in the Canva Pro. So first we will take a blank or any kind of template. Then I will just for I will create here, I will take a background, then I will take any kind of element as just suppose I took this one. Now you can see that here is a white background and I want to remove this white background. So what will I do? I will go to the edit and I will go to the edit and then will click the BG remover. As you can see that it has been the white background has been fully removed. Okay, but now let me check if tell you something more. If I don't have this background and I have any other background just like that, then you can see that here is some part of my wooden texture which has been removed extras. So what will I do? I will click here again and will go to the edit photo and then I will click BG remover three lines and then will click on the restore and I will adjust the brush size. But you don't need to adjust the brush size if you have already is your suitable size here. So just I will press over the areas which I want to restore. Now, after restoring your image, then what you will have to do, you will have to do this, click here. Okay, for going there, you will have to click here, not the home. So just click here, and now you can see that my the texture, wooden texture has been restore. So what will I do for this? Now this is the first part of the uh, background remover first method. But now for the second method, what you have to do is, for example, you took any kind of element here, just it's like this. You took here any element you whatever you want. You took it here, and but you don't want here this two this these two chilies. So what will you do? So this you will go at it, but this is the service. Let me take to the another one. This that was SVG file. Mm, for example, we took it here. Now we have here the tomatoes and we don't want this one with tomato, but we want all the tomatoes but we don't want this one tomato. So what will we do? We will click the edit photo, then magic eraser, and we will erase the part of the image that we don't want. We will erase all unwanted parts which we don't want to have in our image. So we will just erase that like this and will press. Just by your mouse pressing your cursor over here, it will be moved. It's working. So just like this, it will remove the all part, and you can remove this like this, the point that you want not to have in here. image. After doing this, you will have to press this like that for going back, and then click OK. Okay, this is the second method of the removing any kind of object, and I hope you like this class, and we will come again for our next session. And you can also check my other videos where I taught you about how to create any video ad, and how to create a birthday flyers or any kind of flyers that you want. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Shut up. Bye bye.